Welcome back to Jot's Shop.
Happy New Year! In this video, we'll cover what we plan on doing in this coming year. However, before we get to that, we'd like to ask you to both comment on our videos and also subscribe if you haven't already. This helps our channel grow and makes our director, Zane, very happy. Last year, we successfully removed much of the front end, got the engine to run, and fixed the cooling system. This year, we obviously have lots and lots to do. It's hard to drive if there aren't any floors and your feet keep scraping on the road. We'll also need to figure out what to do about the gas tank. Should we use the old one or put a new one in? One of the major areas we need to fix are all the leaf springs. The front driver's side full-length leaf spring has broken, and the rebound clip is all that's holding the group together. The rear leaf spring is totally bad, with 3 of the leaves completely breaking. There is nothing holding the front to the rear part of the leaf spring. In addition to all that work, we need to fix the clutch hydraulic system. Since we can't open the clutch master cylinder, we'll have to replace it. The tubing to the slave cylinder also has rusted out. While we're at it, we'll go ahead and replace the cylinder also. You may remember that early last year we took all the brakes out of the truck. So we've made some purchases at Advanced Auto Parts, and we'll have to get all those parts installed. We did accomplish a few minor tasks over the holidays. We put up our portable Danmar lift, raised the truck, and removed all the tires. Since the tires will be off for quite a while, we stored them on our rack. We also installed 4 tripod stands to ensure the truck wouldn't fall down and ruin our whole day. Also over the holidays, we did some initial work on our brakes. We removed all the brake drums from both the front and the rear. We checked the general condition of the dust shields, including the brake shoe contact points, and everything seemed to be okay. We did take pictures of the original installation so that we can put the new parts back in correctly. Once we got the drums off, we cleaned them up a bit and inspected to see what we needed to do to them. We cleaned out the inside with brake cleaner, and we determined that they are in generally good condition. There are a few ridges on the inside, especially on the front drums, so we'll take them to a brake shop to be evaluated and probably turned. Here's a comparison of our before and after. You can see that they did clean up pretty nice. Once we looked at the drums, we cleaned up the dust shields. Brake cleaner and wire wheels do a pretty good job cleaning it up. We'll probably go ahead and paint them later to make them look nicer. When we took apart the brakes, we saved all the parts to see what we could clean up and reuse. The brake adjusters were in really bad shape and were completely frozen. However, a few days soaking in PB Blaster, some work with a socket wrench and blowtorch and vise, and they finally came apart. Then, after some work with a wire wheel, they ended up working fine and actually looked pretty good. We used the wire wheel to clean up the other parts. Another before and after shot. Here's a picture of all the parts that we'll probably end up reusing. So we'll end this video now by wishing you a great new year. Thanks very much for watching during the past year. Subscribers are really why we put these videos out. So again, if you haven't subscribed, please help us out by pressing the subscribe button. Remember to also comment. Let us know how we're doing, what you like and don't like, and what we should do next. We appreciate all your comments and try to respond to each of them. Thanks again for watching.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. There's more videos to come on the truck. Leave a comment if you want, and remember, it's free to subscribe. Bye-bye.